We really don't want to ship any bed bugs or any vermin or anything like that to our customers. So this is my technique for how I sanitize my electronics before I list them on eBay. So the first thing is you get one of these nice containers. This one happens to be a 116 quart Sterilite. I use plastic hangers here. And I just put them in the bottom. No particular order. That is primarily to make sure that then the speakers and any of the particle board or anything like that doesn't come in contact with the bottom of the container. It's too tall, so we gotta lay it on its side. And sometimes you don't get everything in there on the first try, but we'll get most of it in there. I keep the cords up out of the bottom. Okay, so we got everything loaded in there. Let me give you a quick shot of what that looks like. Hey, if you're finding any of this content interesting, please give me a like. Most of you aren't subscribed. I'd really appreciate a share. Thanks. Now for the most important ingredient, isopropyl alcohol. I like to use 91% or more concentrate, preferably 99, but 91 will work. And all we're going to do, we're going to carefully pour this into the bottom just so that we get a fair amount of liquid in there. You don't need a whole lot, maybe a third of this bottle. So like 4 ounces of isopropanol. Put the cover on it, latch it, and let it sit just like that for about 24 hours. Pull them out, they'll be nice and clean. Never have to worry about shipping your customers bed bugs.